Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. It's your boy Cozy, and we back with another video. Today we're gonna be reviewing the Puma and A$AP Rocky seatbelt tee that I bought back in Miami in May for the Formula 1 event that Puma had. Now, before we review this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out any of my future videos. So during the Formula 1 event in Miami, Puma and A$AP Rocky had an event where they showed up, they were there taking pictures. It was in fun dimensions, so they were also playing video games. The couples came through and everyone had a good time. During that event, I ended up buying this seatbelt tee in red. First of all, it was so hard to get in there, but I managed to finesse my way in. I was like, you know what, I need to get myself in there as well, because there was a long line. It was free to get in. If you didn't put up an argument or a fight, you would have had to wait in a long line. No way, I was not gonna do this. I had to let them know I got a YouTube, and also that the all-seeing camera was able to get in. So I'm like, yo, you let the all-seeing camera in, you gotta let me in too. We come in a package deal. Pause. However, me and my cousin and the all-seeing camera were able to get in at the end. This is one of the pieces that I bought. I was able to press these patches on there. I got this pressed, and I also got A$AP Motorsport press in the front as well. So this is what I got. This is what they had available. I think I paid $80, and then everything else was just like free, like the add-ons and stuff. Like I was able to do it however I like. Very different Puma event. It's a Puma collab. You got the seat belt. It says Speed Cap right here in the front. It says Puma in the back. I thought it was a cool tee. You know, it's an A$AP collab. You know, I gotta support. Definitely a fan of his music. You also got A$AP right here in the bottom with the American flag. So yeah, this is what I got. Seemed like they all sold out the day it came out. It retailed for $74, $75. And yeah, this is the A$AP Rocky and Puma men's seatbelt tee. I got it in a size medium. Like I said, it's one of one. It's unique. I believe that some of these things are reflective. Let's read the description here. It says here, the product story: this A$AP Rocky and Puma tee features a sublimated graphic that mimics a driver's 6-point seatbelt, designed in heavyweight cotton with a boxy fit. This track meets street piece is rounded off with Puma and A$AP cool branding. Details: boxy fit, 210 GSM jersey, rib crew neck, short sleeve, seatbelt graphic on the front and back, all over distress print. So it's 100% cotton, 94% cotton. Care instruction: wash with similar colors, wash and iron inside out. Use only mild detergent. Exclusive of decorations, do not iron print. So they also came out with other stuff as well, but again, this is what I bought from the event. I believe that this Puma right here is also reflective. I also have the neck strap and the tag to go with it, just to show that this is legit. I got it in a size medium, designed by A$AP, $75. Very cool. Right here on the neck strap, you see $signs, fingerprint, like a Target sign, some tires. Came with the shirt itself. Very legit. I'm glad I bought it. You also got AWGE right here on the sleeve. On the other sleeve, I added the custom Puma patch. You also got the Puma logo below it, and you can see like the whole tee is like distressed. Definitely had to support A$AP Rocky on this. Let me know in the comments below, did you ever buy any of these online when they came out? Were you in the Miami Formula 1 event? Did you buy one of these? Did you get anything else? They had shoes. They had, I believe, the helmet type hat they also collabed on. It says Forever Faster down here. They had it in different colorways. They had it in black, red, and I believe yellow. So those were the three colorways. This is it right here on StockX. $75 retail price. Came out May 3rd, so it came out the same weekend of Formula 1. White with red, spring summer 2024. So right now shows that if you buy it now, you're getting it for $149 medium plus fees, small $288 plus fees, large $268 one piece. So they are reselling for a lot more than I bought it for. You also got the black ones. These are the retail price. Definitely could bid. And then you also got the yellow one, which this is insane. Whoever put that price, you're probably not gonna sell it. This is brand new, never worn. And yeah, this is during the event of the ASAP Rocky and Puma event at Fun Dimension in Wynwood. Pulled up with Rihanna. Almost turned into a groupie, because I saw Rihanna, you know, she's a little baddie. But both of them, you know, were there. Fire, you know. These are the hats. Well, the helmet that I was talking about is like so many people were there. I was so happy that I was able to finesse my way through. ASAP Rocky with the yellow seatbelt tee. Fire experience, fire experience. I did have unexpected. Honestly, I'm gonna be honest, I did not know that they were gonna be there, but they pulled up. And this is a little video, a little clip Puma Motorsport posted during this weekend. W weekend. I had a good time in Miami during this Formula One event. So many cars. Definitely would like to attend the Formula One racing event next year. Please subscribe. I will be going to that next year if you want to keep up. I love that they have so many events during that whole weekend event. And yeah, let me know again. WL t-shirt. Let's go ahead and try this on. So yeah, that's it right there. It's true to size. It fits perfect for a medium and don't run small. Let me know in the comments. Are you a fan? Are you not a fan of this t-shirt? Would you have bought something else? Let me know in the comments below. If you do plan on buying this, they are true to size and they come in different colorways. But that wraps up our item review for the ASAP Rocky and Puma seatbelt tee. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more merch reviews and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.
Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. That is the back up. 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 I'll back y'all up. I'll back y'all up. Back up. I can feel you pushing.
Bro, because you're touching my girl. I'm trying to protect my girl.
Back
What
up.
are you talking about, bro?
Up.
You gonna touch a female like that?
Back up. Back up. Stay back. You look good. Hey, get yourself back. Back up. Back up. Get yourself back. You might break your head. I got you. Back up. Hold on. Focus. Back up. All right, hold on. Let me get back. 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 What's going on here?
Nigga cozy and the whole scene go crazy.
We out here bugging the fuck out. Where we at?
Oh, throw hands.